Hi there, I'm Birgit O'Connor, and welcome to my studio. Now, over the next few months, I plan on taking a little bit of a break so I can spend time with family, create new paintings, along with new lessons for you. Now, this is not something that comes easy to me. I love what I do and spending time with you. But I think that a lot of us are going to be moving around doing different things. So it's probably the best time to do this. But I also know for some of you, the summer is the only time that you can focus on painting. So, with that in mind, I plan on offering a series of featured independent study courses that I think you'll really enjoy. And to start off the season, what I plan on doing is offering backgrounds and shadows with a few different options. And then later, if you want, you can always upgrade to the interactive courses and paint along with me. Now, in this course, Backgrounds and Shadows, it's a great way to build a foundation and get ideas of what you can do with backgrounds. That's something that has always perplexed people. Do you leave them black? Do you leave them white? What do you do? Do you start in the background first or do you do that last? Now, every artist is going to have a different opinion. I've done both. And for myself, if I'm painting a floral, I personally like to do the flower first and then paint the background last, because that way I'll have a better idea what I want to do with it. And if I mess up my flower, then I don't invest more time into the background. But then for other people, they want a great background before they decide to do the flower or object or whatever they're doing. So within this course, Backgrounds and Shadows, I cover a lot of different things. So let's take a look inside the class so you have a better idea. There's a lot of information here. There's the introduction, painting terms, setting up your palette, brushes, tearing paper, types of paper, how to make your own pad of paper, and then values and what's warm and transparent color. I'll show you how to gather background material, how to break it down, and how to use it for future paintings. Now, using these techniques, my students have done some incredible paintings and even have gone on to win awards. So I think you'd really enjoy this. And that's why I'm going to start my summer series of independent study courses with this one. So have fun and happy painting.